This video is probably going to make you mad. You're probably going to give me a thumbs down when you unsubscribe from my channel when I show you the first set of tools that you should start with, and the fact that they are free. And if you're a beginner and you want to make money online, these are the tools that you need to start with. Google products. I told you. Chrome is important. The Chrome browser. Think about how important it is. Google Docs. You need to understand the power of Google Docs. Gmail. Sending email, getting email, doing business is all done via email. Scroll down here to the bottom and you have YouTube, the power of YouTube. Now understand that I use Google Docs to take notes, to communicate with clients, to brainstorm, to write documents, to create reports, save as PDFs, and sell them. I do that every day. Here on YouTube, I make YouTube videos. That video that you see right there, I made that video just yesterday about making money using Google for free in 2025. You need to watch that one. All right. Understand that once you have the Google Chrome browser, you can install tools like this one called Awesome Screenshot and use it for free. I use this all the time to take screenshots of stuff on my browser inside of Google Chrome and annotate them. It is the free version. I've never updated this. When I hit 100 images, I just delete a few of the ones that I don't think I'll need, and then I start again. You can see I still have the upgrade button here. Now, there are times and there will be places where you will upgrade. This is Awesome Screenshot. I use this all the time. This is my 9-step roadmap for building a profitable online business. When I want to create an explainer, I click on the annotate button. Again, this tool is absolutely free, and I draw on this when I show you about creating a profitable online business, understanding that you need traffic to an offer and then add people to an email list by picking a topic. Tools, tech, and time is where we're at right now, and I'm showing you the tools that you can use as a beginner and start for free to make money online. Yes, to create a super simple lead magnet, to build your email list, even automate it and get to profit by starting with YouTube to create consistent content and utilizing the other tools that you're seeing in this video. Again, if you made it this far, congratulations. You have amazing focus and you are a true 30-minute marketer. So let me know in the comments that you made it this far. The next tool is Zoom. You can create meetings, or you can have meetings with potential clients or groups of clients, up to 100 participants, for up to 40 minutes. A 30-minute call is all you need. All right. Next up is the freemium account of System.io. And I hear this all the time, and people tell me you can't do anything with System.io because of the limitations with the freemium account. I've made videos and I have training inside of my 30-minute marketing membership. And I talk about this inside my Facebook group. And I show people that yes, you can most certainly get started with the freemium account. It has everything that you need. Contacts, up to 2,000 contacts that you can email for free. Caveat, you have to buy a domain name, but the tool set itself is free. A domain name is less than $10 a year. You got to be kidding me, right? So they have pipelines. They just added a calendar function. All your websites, if you want to start a blog, sales funnels, a digital store. And again, here you can set up a campaign so you can automate it. You only get one campaign for free, but it's all you need to get started. Then you can send ultimate, or you can send unlimited newsletters, and you can set up automations. You get one workflow and you can set up and sell your digital products here. You can add coupons, you can create a course, you can create your own community, and you can track all of your sales. You can even set up your own affiliate program right here inside of the freemium account. Now understand that once you get to profit, if you go back and you look at the 9-step roadmap and all my squiggles, if you understand that once you get here, that you are profiting off of these free accounts. Yeah, you had to buy the domain name for $10 a year. But once you profit, meaning you make more money than you spend to operate your business, starting out with these free tools, then you start upgrading. It's part of doing business. Canva. I use Canva free to start an online business that I built up a YouTube channel and I sold, and I was using Canva to make and sell books on Amazon KDP, of course, following the guidelines. You have to understand that. Note, there is a caveat there, but understand that again, this is 100% for free, and you get to do all of these things for free with Canva in the beginning. In the beginning, you're just learning, but then you get to a point where you need to upgrade because you've made money using the free Canva plan. Now you upgrade to the Pro, which I now have Canva Pro, but for years I used Canva free, and I made the thumbnail for the video that you're watching here for all the videos on my channel. 16,170 subscribers, over $25,000 I've made from this one YouTube channel using the free plan of Canva before I upgraded to Pro to make YouTube thumbnails. Tons of other things that you can do there with that. ChatGPT, 100%, you can get started for free. I use ChatGPT all the time to create content, to have conversations, to chat with it, to brainstorm. Here you can see an example of that. Pain versus pleasure marketing. It's a new report I'm working on. It's a new idea. It's a new angle that I want to present to everyone inside of my 30-minute marketing members only club. All of that you can do just like I do for free, getting started with these tools. These are the best free tools for getting started online, digital marketing tools for beginners. These are the best ones. They're free. You've heard about them before. You're going to hear about them again here on my channel and all my content because they work. So congratulations, you made it. Go ahead, watch the next video here on the screen. I look forward to seeing you in that one, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.